Assalamualaikum, my name is NURUL AMIRA with my partner NURUL Zafirah. We'll present our final year project 2. Our project title is Autism. Here our poster that will be explained more detail. Essentially, our project, which is Autism, is e-learning mobile application that will help and assist parent, teacher, caregiver and autistic children with moderate severity. This e-learning mobile application was preferred for autistic children with moderate severity as the syllabus and the use of device itself is suitable for them as the behavior is still controllable. Children with autism usually may have social interaction and communication issues, such as they are delayed in speech development and limited or inconsistent eye contact. So, autism may help autistic children to know and learn more about basic daily routine in life with the help of visual colorful object, video, audio, and also animation. For problem statement, several applications were identified in the Google Play Store. However, there are only a few e-learning applications that focus for autistic children, and there is no application that teach basic daily routine. So, the common thing about the existing application is that it is difficult to find full version and most of the existing applications are not available for free. Users need to pay for the next level or category, and the application also does not specifically focus on the level of severity for autistic children, which are mild, moderate, and also severe. Besides that, the design is not appropriate to the topic or theme. Thus, a new application is developed that has all features necessary for autistic children, and it is available for free. Our objective is to study the basic learning about daily routine, such as activity in the morning, afternoon, and evening for autistic children with moderate severity. Second, to design a user-friendly application that fulfills the target user requirement, which are simple and easy to understand among autistic children. And the last one is to develop an application that includes multimedia skills, such as audio, video, animation, and games to attract autistic children in learning. For literature review, Google Play Store provides some applications for autistic children, but the application that focus on basic daily routine is hard to find. So, we choose 4 different applications that have some relation to daily routine for autistic children, which are Autism Help, Autistica, MITA, and also Fun Routine. The development approach that we use to develop the application for autism is Agile development methodology. It is because Agile development methodology promotes continuous iteration of development and testing throughout the software development life cycle of the project. First, we need to define the requirement for the iteration based on the application expert feedback. Second, we plan on how to build the requirement into the application. Next, we make a design reality based on defined requirement. Then we verify the application function as designed. Lastly, we give the application to the customer. The use of Agile method is very appropriate as the customer has early and frequent opportunities to look at the application and make decisions and change to the application. The project does not need to wait until the end to fix the error because in Agile method, error can be fixed in the middle of the project. Hence, the use of Agile method is suitable for autism project. Autism mobile application is developed using Adobe Animate for application development, Adobe After Effects to animate the character and object, Adobe Media Encoder to export the animation to video, Adobe Illustrator and Krita to design the character and object. Finally, Audacity software is used to change the voice pitching of the original voice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zafirah. Okay, now I would like to explain more about this e-learning application. Alhamdulillah, for FYP2, we successfully complete this application on time. We developed this application especially for the parents, caregiver and autistic children itself who are live in Malaysia. So because of that, we decided to make two languages, which is English and Malay. Okay, the reason why we choose these two languages because most of the citizens in Malaysia speak Malay language and English language is a second language that is commonly used in Malaysia. Okay, this is the home page for this e-learning application. We choose Kids Drawing Team as the main team for the design. The reason why we choose this team because we want to attract the autistic children to use and learn more with it. Thus, autistic children also like cartoon characters similar to normal kids, and almost all autistic children have sensitivity to their surrounding. So because of that, we choose a minimalist and simple design. And our main topic in this application is about a daily routine. The reason we choose this topic because we want to help the autistic children to go through their daily life. As we know, many autistic children live in a world of chaos. Okay, we provided 6 categories in this topic, which is morning, afternoon, evening, night, movement, and doa. In each category, we provide 5 daily activities that's suitable for each category. We also make some simple games in each category. For the doa category, we make it especially for the Muslim users. We put some simple doa that we always recited. So now we go to the morning categories. We have some daily activities like wake up, brush teeth, get dressed, comb hair, breakfast, and game time section here. In each activity, we will provide step by step how the activity will be done. In ABDUL therapy, autistic children need to break skill down, practice, and pair with reinforcement. Show the step by step how the activity will be done is one of the way to break skill down. We want to make this application more attractive by adding some games. Thus, this game also can make the autistic children more understand about the daily routine activity. Okay, and each page, we put the home page button. So user can go to the home page and choose the different categories anytime that they want. User also can change the language by clicking this part. If they click English or Inggris, it will go to the English part. And if they click to the Malay or Melayu, it will go to the Malay part. Okay, we go back to the morning part. So here is a wake up activities.
Adam wakes up from sleep.
Okay, users needs to click this arrow to go to the next step.
Adam makes the bed.
If users want to look back at the previous step, they can click this arrow and it will go back to the previous one.
Adam wakes up from sleep.
Okay, and for the other activities, also the same. Users can see step by step how the activity will be done. Okay, let's move on to the game part.
Is Adam wearing clothes?
Okay, for the game part, we will give a simple game like this. It is because from our interview with the specialist, she said that one of the way to attract autistic children to using an e-learning application is by providing simple and easy subject. Okay, this level of question and game is suitable for the autistic children that suffer with moderate severity. Okay, here if we choose the wrong answer, the pop-up will come out and ask the users to try again. And we need to click this button to retry again.
Is Adam wearing clothes?
If the user choose the correct answer, the pop-up that said good job will come out and they need to click the next button to go to the next game. Okay, the reason why we give the game reward like good job and star because to attract and interact with the autistic children itself. Okay, let's move on to the doa part. Okay, for the doa part, we put some simple doa that we always recite like doa before eating, doa before sleeping, doa before entering the toilet, doa before entering the house, and doa before boarding vehicle.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina adzabannar. Oh Allah, bless the sustenance that you have bestowed on us and protect us from hell.
So in this section, we include the doa, its meaning, and the animation that related with the doa. Okay, for the Malay part, it's quite similar with the English part. The difference only on the language itself and the narrative voice that we use.
Sarah sedang memeluk anak patung.